Welcome. Thanks for stopping by. My name is Shivendra Bhatia, and today we're going to talk about yet another chart of the week, which is a very interesting position. And I think from here on, it can give you multi gains. Stay tuned till the end, so that we can discuss today some interesting fact about the company and the chart. Before I progress further, I wanted to start with disclaimer, which is right now showing in front of your screen. This channel is only for educational and entertainment purposes only. And if you disagree with it, I would highly recommend you to stop this channel and move to something very interesting for yourself. So let's get started. Um, I posted another video. I don't know whether you watched it. It's on 26th of October 2020. Let's check the performance of this particular stock, which I posted on 26th October. Let me go to my chart. So you must be seeing the chart of Resmac Group. The stock when I posted was this is by the way weekly candle, and weekly candles are seen for when our investment horizon is for at least 3 months to 1 year. And really, the investing is a game of probability, so I really don't know. But I just analyzed this stock, and I thought it was in a very interesting position and should give us a good gains. But whoa, whoa. You see this? We already have got 20%, over 20% in just 1 week. That's isn't it amazing? If you really benefited from it, please type amazing on the comment box. And this is, by the way, was our first video on this channel. So if you want me to bring such interesting stocks and educational videos on stock market, I would highly recommend you to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you get notified. So that was an interesting gain, just 20% in 1 week. Let's talk about the stock for this week. The stock for this week is Pilbara Minerals Limited. We're watching this weekly chart, and I want to again, because this video will be on the YouTube, so I want to make sure that you know that this particular stock is being discussed on 8th of November 2020. So for anybody who's going to watch at later date, it's very important to know the date um, when we recorded this video. Now, I like to start the chart with a very plain, without any indicators, so that I get a perspective of what's happening. The chart has been typically cyclical start, as minerals are mostly. Most of the stocks in this sector are going to be cyclical in nature. But I think um, which is important is every time when the stock breaks this resistance, it definitely gives us a very good return going forward. And last time it was 200% gain. And again, the stock is, if you look at it here, the last time it broke this, it gave us almost 100% return. So last two historical trend tells us this stock does really well whenever it breaks this support line. And this week, and this is a weekly chart, so every candle represents the weekly data, and stock managed to close above this resistance zone. So, and it managed to do that by making three attempts, one attempt, second attempt, and third attempt. It managed to close above this line, so it is of higher significance. So, with that, I think this stock is poised for very interesting time ahead. Um, let's try and also look at with some moving averages so that we know. Let me move this away, and you can see here I just plotted different moving averages: 50, 100, 150, and 200. And this is a daily chart, so just wanted to see how the behavior of the stock is on a daily chart. As you can see, it made multiple attempts to break this resistance line, and now it's managed to close above this. Last 2 days has been a red day, but overall it managed to close above this line, which is very important. And I've just drawn a simple trend line to see the stock is making higher highs. And what is also important for me to note is that it is I generally look at the relative strength to the index itself, and it is ordinary index for ASX ordinary index, AXJO, and the stock has been also outperforming the ordinary index for um, some time, so which is also a good sign. RSI is some I generally don't give too much of importance for RSI, but the RSI is just gonna it's trending up because stock is moving higher. So I would like to hear from you in your comment box. What are your thoughts about this stock? If you like this video, I would highly recommend you to hit the like button and also put some comments to share your thoughts. I'll look forward for it and try and respond to you personally as soon as possible. Till the next video, I would like to say goodbye to you and happy investing. See you soon.